So Apple has recently announced its much awaited virtual reality headset named as Vision Pro. So these augmented reality based headsets use M2 chip for their performance and R1 chip for controlling their cameras and sensors. So what it does is that it creates an illusion in the surrounding which looks like that the content and the icons are floating in the space and can be interacted with using the eye movement, hand gestures, and voice. So this Vision Pro is trained on machine learning models to track eye movement, recognize voice, and also recognize the hand signs. So using these three as inputs, it performs certain tasks like using eye movements, you can select the icons, and using hand signs, you can click on it, and using voice, you can control different things too. So which technologies have enabled this innovation? So these technologies are machine learning, artificial intelligence, and ARM based chips. So these headsets use M2 chips and R1 chips at their core. And these M2 and R1 chips are ARM based chips which use reduced instruction set computing, which makes them energy efficient, and as a result they dissipate less heat, and that's why we don't need cooling system, and that's why we can use these chips in compact devices too. So for whom these virtual reality headsets are? So if you look at the Apple's launch event, you will see that if you are working on a Mac and if you are wearing the headset, if you look on the desktop or the display, then what will happen is that the display will pop out in the surrounding and you can interact with it similarly like you do with the apps natively hosted on the headset. So that means we can interact with all the apps on the Macs and Apple's ecosystems. So definitely the interactivity is getting better, but how precise these interactions are will define whether these virtual reality based headsets can be used for video editing or not. And for developers, definitely this is not for developers because developers do a lot of things and need a lot of softwares, and at presently it is not available in the Vision OS ecosystem. And Apple is giving some time period for developers to make certain apps for its Vision OS so that clients can use it using their virtual reality headsets. So that was all about this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Thank you.